Now you've got the yellow cross, you'll have one of these scenarios. Either a solid one in the bottom left hand corner, well, when I say bottom left hand corner, it will be if you turn it around so it's in the bottom left hand corner. Or you'll have what I call single headlights, which are a pair of yellows and two singles. If there's one set of headlights, face that away from you. And the other one is where you've got two headlights on opposite sides. Now we don't want to face the headlights away from us, so that means that we get blinded by the headlights as well, so they go sideways. So double headlights sideways, single headlights away from us, and solid in the bottom corner. And this is a simple move. Just right up, turn the top, right down, turn the top, right up, turn the top twice, back down. We now have the same as that one. Right up, turn the top, right down, turn the top, right up, turn the top twice, back down. So now they're all the same. And if you look at these cubes, they should now all be the same. Except that one, which is interesting. Let's run the same process again. Right up, turn the top, right down, turn the top, right up, turn the top twice, back down. Done. Up, round, down, round, up, round twice, back down. But sometimes on some of these speed cubes, they do get twisted. So in class, when I'm doing these with my students, oh no, don't panic. There we go, bring that one around there. Right up, turn the top, back down, turn the top. So sometimes they do get twisted with my students, but you can see in this case, they're all fine. Yellow top, done.